Hello everyone, my name is Mark and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to this SkyHigh on Dandenong Mountain. Yeah, it'll be great. Let's go. Wait for the bus. It'll be here soon, I think. Yeah. So I just got here. There's a restaurant there, and I think we can't eat inside because the virus. We don't take away drinks, coffees, foods. Yep. And it's pretty good view. A bit rainy. Just got my gimbal ready for the sunset. Gonna stay here for an hour till the sunset. Very cloudy, and hope the sun will come out sometimes. Yeah, we'll see about that. There's the map. What? There's a maze there. Right. So I'm here. So I'll put the time lapse in the end of the video. Let's check it out. And if you like this video, give me a thumb up, subscribe, and ring the bell. I will see you next time.